A septic tank lid that's unsafe or missing can seriously mess up your yard and even put your family at risk, so fixing it as soon as possible is a must. Okay, so first thing, if you spot a cracked or missing septic tank lid, don't just ignore it because it's super dangerous. Someone could accidentally step in and get hurt. You want to get a replacement lid that's heavy duty and made specifically for septic tanks, usually concrete or heavy plastic ones that lock down tight. When you're putting on the new lid, make sure it sits flush with the ground so no tripping hazards or weird bumps in the yard. It's also smart to check for any damage around the tank opening itself before sealing it up, because cracks there can cause leaks or other issues. If you're not comfy handling this yourself, call a pro who knows how to deal with septic systems. They'll have the right tools and know local codes too. Also, keep an eye on your septic tank lid every few months to catch any wear and tear early before it turns into a big problem. Remember, a secure septic tank cover helps keep kids, pets, and wildlife safe and stops bad smells from popping up around your home. Lastly, using a secure cover helps protect your septic system from rainwater getting in and messing things up. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tank lids is using a cheap or incorrect replacement cover that doesn't fit right, which can lead to accidents or contamination. Fix this by always buying lids designed for your specific tank model. Another issue is not securing the lid properly after installation. If it's loose, animals or curious kids might lift it easily, so double check it's locked or screwed down tight. The third problem is neglecting regular inspections, which lets small cracks or damage go unnoticed until there's a hazard. Set reminders to inspect your septic tank lid every season to avoid surprises. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors to help fix stuff like septic tanks safely and quickly. Contractors also benefit because the site connects them with real customers looking for their services, making it easier to get work done and grow their business.